Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Pgadmin 4 on AlmaLinux OS. Then we will see how to connect to PostgreSQL by using Pgadmin 4. Pgadmin is GUI tool for the PostgreSQL server. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to Pgadmin official website, that is pgadmin.org. Hit enter. See, Pgadmin is the most popular feature-rich open source administration and development platform for PostgreSQL, which is most advanced open source database in the world. So click on download. For AlmaLinux, we have to download the RPM package. So click on this RPM. See, Pgadmin supports on the AlmaLinux 8 or 9. I am on AlmaLinux 9, but the process is same for AlmaLinux 8 also. So if you scroll down, see, these are the commands to be run to install the Pgadmin 4 on AlmaLinux OS. So first install this RPM, copy this link, open terminal, paste it, hit enter. Now see here we have the two modes, one desktop mode and web mode. To install desktop mode we have to run only this command. If you want to install web mode we have to run only this command. If you want to install both the modes, just run this command, copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is already done, sorry, Control N, sudo m install pgadmin 4. See here, pgadmin 4. There is no space between pgadmin and 4. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. Type and hit enter. It is going to download 187 megabytes. Hit enter. See, it is installing desktop, server and web dependency. Type and hit enter. We have successfully installed Pgadmin 4. Let us go to activities, show applications. See here we have the Pgadmin 4. Click on it. We see Pgadmin is starting. Let me maximize it. To add PostgreSQL server, we have to run add new server, or right click on servers, then register, then select server. Both are same. Then provide name for the connection. I have installed PostgreSQL 17, so I am giving name as 17. Name can be anything. Go to terminal, verify the version of the PostgreSQL. Sudo s. See, I have installed PostgreSQL 17. See, I have installed PostgreSQL 17. Okay, so in the connection tab, provide the hostname or address. Address means IP. See, I have installed PostgreSQL on this machine, so I am giving localhost. Or you can give full name, host name. You can give the host name. Okay, and port number is 5432. Provide the maintenance database and username Postgres. Then provide the password. Then click on save. If you want to see the parameters, you have to provide here SSL mode or other SSH channel advanced settings. Okay, so I'm okay with these settings. Then click on save. See, expand it, expand databases. See here, I have only one database. Even if you verify here, See, I have only one user database. Remaining are the default databases. Here it is not showing this template 0 and template 1. It is showing only this Postgres and RT schools. Okay. To create new database, right click, create and select the database. Then provide the database name R2admin. Then select the owner and provide the definition like permission, templates, table space and etc. Security, you have to provide the grantees information. Privileges, parameters, advanced. Then see, this is the SQL syntax to create that database. Okay, click on save. See, new database is created. If you go to here again, if you type \l, see, new database R2admin is created. If you want to run the queries against this database, right click on it and select the query tool. Run the query against the table. I have a table that is student in this database. So select it and click on execute. See, this is the output pane. Okay, if you want to see the dashboard, see here, this is the dashboard. In the dashboard you have, see, database sessions, transactions per second, tuples out, block IO information, properties. See, these are the properties of this database. See, OID and other information. Okay, if you want to see the SQL of this database, see, this is the SQL. Okay, stats and other information we can find here. Processes, see, there are no process. So if you want to create logins, go to this login and group roles, expand. See, I have one user. If you want to create another login or group, just right click and select create and login or group role. Then provide R2admin definition, provide password, privileges, can login, and if you want super user, you have to move this pointer to here to on, like this. Whatever the permissions required, based on that you have to on this. Okay, so click on save. See, R2admin user or login or role is created. Okay, you can verify the same. If you click view the DU, see, new user R2admin is there. Okay, until now we have performed these actions on Pgadmin desktop mode. Now we will see Pgadmin web mode. If you go to the Pgadmin official website, see, after installation we have to run this command to configure the Pgadmin web mode. So copy it, go to the terminal, paste that one, hit enter. Now provide any email, provide password for this account to connect to Pgadmin. Here it is not the password of this email, it can be anything. We have successfully installed. So copy this URL to connect to Pgadmin. Right click, copy. Open new tab, simply give localhost, then give the Pgadmin 4, hit enter. This both are same. Now provide email address or username that we have provided. Provide the password, click on login. Now in the same way how we performed actions on Pgadmin desktop mode, we can do the same. Click on add new server. Here username, we have to give the existing username. Provide password. These are optional parameters. Okay, so click on save. See, you have successfully connected to Pgadmin. Expand databases. See, here we have the same databases here available in PG desktop mode. Okay, if you want to run queries, right click, select DB, right click, query tool. Okay, so if you want to delete database, right click, delete, confirm. See, it is already using here, so disconnect from here. Now run, right click, delete, confirm. See, database gone. If you go back, to connect, see, the database gone. Okay. If you want to disconnect from the PostgreSQL server, right click, then select the disconnect from the server. See, we have successfully disconnected. Again, if you want to connect, right click and connect to the connect server. Then provide the password of this user for this server. Okay, connect. So in this video we have seen how to install Pgadmin 4 on AlmaLinux OS. Then we have seen how to connect to PostgreSQL from the Pgadmin 4. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.